Hello students, hope you all are well. So this is a video of your chapter number 2, that is playing with numbers, of the exercise 2.1 up to question number 5. So please go through it. Our first topic is factors and multiples of a number. Factor. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Suppose we are given a number that is 32 and we have to find its factors, then we have to find all those numbers which divide 32 exactly. That is, those numbers which are divisor of the number 32. 4 is one such number because when we divide the number 32 by 4, the remainder comes out to be equal to 0. So 4 is a factor of 32. Next is multiple. When a number a is multiplied by another number b, the product is a multiple of both the numbers a and b. Suppose we are given two numbers, say 7 and 3, and we multiply both the numbers 7 and 3, the product comes out to be equal to 21. So 21, it is a multiple of both 7 as well as 3. Now we take an example, the factors and some multiples of 6. So we have a 6, 6 is a number given to us, so we have to find its factors and we have to find its multiples. Now all the possible factors of 6 can be 1, 2, 3 and 6, because 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 and 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So 1 and 6 are factors of 6, and likewise 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 are also the factors of 6. Then to find the multiples of 6, we take 6 and then multiply it by 1. So answer comes out to be equal to 6. So 6 is the first multiple of 6. Now to find other multiple, we take 6 and multiply it by 2. Answer comes out to be equal to 12. So 12 is a multiple of 6. Likewise, to find the other multiples, we take the number 6, multiply it by 3. Answer could be 18. So 18 is a third multiple of 6. Likewise, we go on multiplying this, multiplying the number 6 by 4, then by 5 and so on, and we get the multiples of 6. Next is exercise 2.1, question number 2, that is write all factors of each of the following numbers. So we have been given certain numbers and we have to find their factors. Number first is, that is 60. So in the solution we write, we have 60 is equal to 1 multiplied by 60, and 60 is also 2 multiplied by 30. 60 is equal to 3 multiplied by 20 also. 60 is also equal to 4 multiplied by 15, and 60 is also 5 multiplied by 12, and 60 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. That is, when we take these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. These are all those numbers which divide 60 exactly. So the factors of 60 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Next is part number 2, that is 76. So we have to find all those numbers which divide 76 exactly. So we have 76 is equal to 1 multiplied by 76. 76 is also equal to 2 multiplied by 38. And 76 is also equal to 4 multiplied by 19. Now there is no such number other than 1, 2, 4, 19, 38 and 76 which divides the number 76 exactly. So the factors of 76 would be 1, 2, 4, 19, 38 and 76. Third part is 729. So our solution, we have 729 is equal to 1 multiplied by 729. Also 729 is equal to 3 multiplied by 243. 729 is equal to 9 multiplied by 81. And 729 is also equal to 27 multiplied by 27. Now, other than these numbers, that is 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243 and 729, there is no such number which divides 729 exactly. So the factors of 729 are 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, 243 and 729. Next is question number 3, that is write first 5 multiples of each of the following numbers. So we have been given certain numbers and we have to find their first 5 multiples. So part number first is 25. Now to find the first 5 multiples of 25, we take the number 25, multiply it by the number 1 first, that is 25 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 25. So 25 is its first multiple. To find the other multiple, we multiply the number 25 by 2. So 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. So 50 is its other multiple. To find the third multiple, we multiply the number 25 by 3, which is equal to 75. So 75 is the third multiple. To find the fourth multiple, we multiply 25 by 4, which comes out to be 100. So 100 is the fourth multiple. And to find the last, that is the fifth multiple, we multiply 25 by 5, which is equal to 125. So 125 is the fifth multiple. Next is part number 2, that is 45. We have to find its first 5 multiples. To find those multiples, what do? We take the number 45, multiply it by 1 first, and then multiply the number 45 by 2, then multiply the number 45 by 3, multiply the number 45 by 4, and finally by 5. So the first 5 multiples of 45 come out to be 45, then it's 90, then it's 135, then 180, and finally 225. Next is question number 4. Which of the following number have 15 as their factor? We have been given 2 numbers and we have to find which of the following numbers has 15 as their factor. Factor means we have to find which of these numbers is that number which when divided by 15, the remainder comes out to be equal to 0. So our first part is 15625. If we divide 15625 by 15, the remainder does not come out to be 0. So 15 is not a factor of 15625 because 15 is not a divisor of 15625. For the second part, that is 123015, 15 is a factor because when we divide 123015 by 15, we have 15 multiplied by 8201 is equal to 123015. That means the remainder comes out to be 0 and 15 is exactly dividing 123015. So 15 is a factor of 123015.